The orthomosaic and textured mesh generation step has completed. I'll close the log window, and you can see the orthomosaic has been displayed on the map. You can change which layers enabled or disabled on the project data pane to your left. In the DroneMapper 3D folder, you'll notice we have an ortho and DEM in UTM projection. We have an ortho and a DEM in WGS84 projection. We also have a 3D point cloud, a mesh, and a textured mesh. I'll load the textured mesh using Cloud Compare. And you can see the mesh generation and texture.